Inday? Ay, madam! Madam! Ha? Where is my shoes, brother? Ha? The brother! The brother of my shoes. My shoes, brother, where? The other one of your shoes, madam? Yeah. The brother. Ah. Brother of my shoes, pamor. Ay, hair, madam, hair. Wait, I'll get it, madam. Wait. Hair, madam. The brother of your shoes. Okay, listen. Hey, listen. My shoes wash need to dry. Okay? Hang under the sun. Batuhat. Take care my shoes, okay? Do not overcook under the sun. Ha? Lord, kunin mo na lang ako, Lord. I can't handle this anymore. I'm not school. Okay, madam. End. Kalas. You can now rest in peace. Ay, pinatay na ako. Na abroad pa more.